Here's how to connect your crypto wallet on OpenSea step by step. First, open your browser and go to OpenSea.io, the world's largest NFT marketplace. In the top right corner, click Connect Wallet. You'll see a list of supported wallets. Choose your preferred options such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, WalletConnect, or other wallets like Phantom or Bitski. If you're using MetaMask, your browser extension will pop up. Click Next, then Connect to authorize access. If you're on mobile, select Wallet Connect, then scan the QR code or use Deep Linking to connect your wallet app. Once connected, your wallet address will appear in the top right corner of OpenSea. You're now ready to browse, buy, sell, or mint NFTs. That's how you connect your wallet to OpenSea. Fast, secure, and the first step into the Web3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.